Hello everyone, it has come to my attention that the original video did not have audio, so this is my third attempt to record it. I'm pretty good at these problems now, so fingers crossed that third time's the charm. Alright, we are going to be working on converting our Cartesian or our rectangular coordinates to polar coordinates. So, if we look at this equation here, we have x minus 3 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared, and that is equal to 13. So from our knowledge of equations and what they look like, we know that this is a circle with a center at 3, 2, and a radius equal to the square root of 13. So now if we want to go about converting this to polar, the first thing that we need to do is we need to FOIL out these quantity squared terms, because remember, r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. X is equal to r cosine theta, and y is equal to r sine theta. So we want to get everything into these types of terms. So if we can get an x squared and a y squared, that's going to be pretty handy for us. So going about foiling this, we will have x squared minus 6x, because we doubled this term, add the x, plus 9 from squaring that 3, plus y squared minus 4x plus 4 is all equal to 13. Now we want to combine the terms that we can and get that x squared and y squared together. So we're going to do a little bit of rearranging here. So let's put the x squared plus y squared together. Now we have this minus 6x and minus 4y. That should be a y, not an x. That's going to bother me now, so I'm going to fix it. Switch my colors. There we go. Feel better now. Minus 4y, and then plus 9 plus 4 gives us plus 13, which is equal to 13. So conveniently for us, these 13s cancel. Look at that. And we're going to move this 6x and the 4y over to the right-hand side of the equation. So add them to both sides. So now we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 6x plus 4y. So now we want to convert to polar with what we know. So we know that x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So we have r squared is equal to 6x, which x is equal to r cosine theta, plus 4y, and y is equal to r sine theta. Now let's do a little bit more simplification on that right-hand side. So we have r squared is equal to, both of these have an r in them, so we can factor that out. So we have r squared is equal to r times 6 cosine theta plus 4 sine theta. Now we can cancel out an r from both sides. So we have r is equal to 6 cosine theta plus 4 sine theta. And that's our answer. Any questions? Oh wait, you can't hear me. I can't hear you. I'm so funny. Alright, now try this next one on your own. Pause the video, and once you're done working through it, press play and I'll help you out. Welcome back. So, first thing that we want to do is FOIL out this x minus 5 quantity squared term. Lucky for us, we just have a y squared, so that's the only foiling that we have to do. Working through this, we have x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus y squared is equal to 25. Again, look at that. So convenient that these 25s are going to cancel. And now we're going to move that 10x over to the other side. So we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 10x. Now we can go about simplifying this or converting using our conversions that we know. So x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, and that's equal to 10 times r cosine theta. Now we can cancel out those r's, so our final equation is r equals 10 cosine theta. And that's our final answer. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, post them in the discussion board, post them in the attendance quiz for today. Otherwise, have fun with that homework and happy work day tomorrow.